don't even use them.
Cause I don't use that shit.
Cause you a white person.
I make my own shit.
You a white person. Just put salt and pepper. If that.
So you
He don't even clean the chicken.
My shit?
He don't even clean the
You
chicken.
don't season my shit?
Yeah, that's what we saying.
You don't do the.
What you misunderstood?
You don't
Something?
do the
She trying to cap right now for you.
Look at that.
So what? What? Look at what? What?
Yeah, like that. Yeah.
The camera? Or the food?
Both of them.
You make
No,
it
one's there.
Oh, she could at least put some salt on that shit. Oh my
I'm not putting any salt in it. All the ingredients that I basically using, if it contains salt, then that's what I'm gonna add with it.
What is this?
Garlic powder does not contain salt, you guys.
Ain't no money.
You guys, I have a fake shelf
Salt, pepper.
in
Clover
here.
Valley. Who the fuck you Clover Valley?
The fuck y'all do because it's in their goddamn pantry. Y'all heard it?
You heard her? I don't use that shit.
You use salt and pepper only. So
And what if it tastes like we bust?
Y'all, he don't use shit. That the chicken be dirty and the motherfucking rice. The only one who can cook is his goddamn wife. The fuck?
Ready.
Mm-hmm. I'm keeping this in. I ain't adding it out either.
No, he's extra when he wants to be.
That's what we're gonna use some garlic powder. We're gonna use some garlic pepper. We're gonna also put some more pepper in here. Just a little bit, and some adobo sazon. We're gonna use that. You guys, you can use whatever seasoning you have available, whatever you feel like you want a taste for. That's totally up to you. You can use that, but I'm using what I use, and we're gonna use this as well. Now, I also want to use this soul food seasoning. I'm just going to use a tad bit of it. I'm not going to use a whole lot of it. And y'all notice I'm using it gently because my brother got gout. So I'm going to use it gently.
Yes, I make you take the pins out.
The what?
Pins
What pins?
that you have in your clothes.
So we're going to basically use that.
Pins.
Where did you find it? Shirt?
In the washer.
In the washer?
Going to just basically use that. And we're going to use some...
Huh?
You can wash it again?
Did I wash it again? No.
We're going to basically use just a little bit of sea salt. And
So does that mean my
not that much because we have some bacon, basically, sauteing down at the bottom. So we're just gonna stir this. We're gonna stir this and pay no attention to the noise in the background.
You didn't do a voiceover. You gotta do a voiceover.
So, y'all, I'm not gonna edit this video because I have an asshole of a brother that's basically he's hungry, grouchy, grumpy, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna fry this up, you guys. So stay tuned, stay blessed, and I'll be back with you.